Going pro in this age is getting harder by the day, and the more time goes on, it will only get harder. And with 2025 rapidly approaching, it's important you apply what we teach you in this video if you want to make it pro. You'll learn about what it takes to go pro and things you can do to minimize ruining your chances. We highly advise you to watch this video all the way through, as the information in this video is extremely valuable and shouldn't be skipped. The reason you're watching this video is likely because you're stuck. You don't want to waste your chance at going pro and end up regretting it years down the line, but you don't see a clear path to going pro. That being said, in this era, the amount of opportunities around you is endless. What's even more clear today is that everybody is distracted and nobody wants to work hard. You can't be lazy and make it. The ones who grind every day and put in the effort will be the ones succeeding. Most footballers in this generation are happy to settle for being average, happy to settle for less than they are capable of. Look, the clock is ticking. You don't really have that long left before you're too old, out of your prime, and have to focus on other tasks. But if you decide right now to go all in and stop settling for average, you can begin on your journey to becoming a pro footballer. It's actually interesting that being average is actually more competitive than being great. Being average is safe. It eliminates the risks, while being average is comfortable. Nothing great grows in this environment, and paradoxically, by setting yourself a bigger goal, you have less competition. Footballers these days just want to be comfortable, go to team training, come home, and do it all over again. We only have a few weeks until 2025, which is perfect for us. Use the new year as a starting point for going pro. A checkpoint where you stopped being average and woke up motivated to chase your dreams, until you realize that you're wasting your life away and that you're not going to be able to get this time back. You'll be setting yourself up for failure. Plan to make 2025 the year you stop procrastinating and start showing up for yourself and become a pro footballer. Just imagine looking back in a year and realizing how important just starting your journey was. The nights you spent grinding and putting in the effort while everyone was wasting their time. You might not be able to go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are right now and change the ending. Now here's where you have two options and a decision to take. It's basically the slow way and the fast way. And the first way is to keep learning for free from YouTube, not the most efficient way of improving. Ask yourself, how well has it been working out for you? Now your second option is to have speed of implementation if you want to have access to the best step-by-step training that teaches you everything you need to know. This is what we are giving you inside of the TheProFormula Academy, launching the first day of 2025, January 1st. Inside our academy, we give you the most optimized training routines, mental masterclasses, specifically designed nutrition plans for footballers, and ways to get scouted to make it to the pro level. And every month we will be adding new programs with new resources to get you to the pro level. This way, you don't have to waste time trying to find the right content amongst dozens of hours of useless information online, and you can just implement what is taught in our all-in-one academy. With this, getting to the pro level stops becoming a matter of luck and becomes a matter of just following the steps laid out in our academy. Now, if you check the first link in our description or pinned comment, you will be brought to our main website where you can reserve your spot and be notified right at 12 AM on January 1st. This video may be the most important video you'll watch, so to realize your dream of succeeding in football, comment down below, "I will succeed," and subscribe to our channel as we put out videos like this all the time. Stay locked in.